Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 27th April 2024. In this video, let us find the stocks near demand and supply zones. We will also identify daily and 75 minutes high liquidity zones. And also we will generate stop buffers based on daily ATR at the end of this report. Even before that, a small announcement please. If any of you would like to learn supply demand zone price action, we are providing complete free training, and the training link also I provided at our NeoStock community link. Go to the NeoStock YouTube channel, click on this community. So now you will be accessing the link to all the training videos. All the training videos are available at our YouTube, but I kept all the videos in a playlist. This is the link to that playlist. You click the link, you will get into the supply demand zone price action course playlist. So in this playlist, all the training lessons are available. Go to the bottom of this list. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. The same link also I provided in this YouTube video description also. And I also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in the channel. Now let's generate the reports. And let us generate stocks near demand and supply zones starting from yearly until 5 minutes time frame. Mostly you may not be finding the stocks near yearly and half yearly demand and supply zones. Rarely you get, but let us verify if anything is available. So entry time frame is yearly. Let us find the stocks near yearly demand zone. So no stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly supply zone. So no stocks are available. Let me go back. I'm changing the time frame to half yearly. Let us find the stocks near half yearly demand zone. No stocks are available. For half yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near half yearly supply zone. So one stock is near half yearly supply zone, but this is a pierced supply zone. See, I'll be giving you only few seconds time and then move on to the next report. You just pause the video and you can study all the parameters in this particular report. If required, you can also draw the charts in your draw the zones, supply demand zones in your charts using this leg in column. The timestamp is available, base candles, and leg out column timestamp is available. In case if you don't know how to understand these reports, this report structure I clearly explained in lesson 21.1. That is a part 1 of lesson 21. In that video, every column in this report I explained all the abbreviations, everything in detail. So please complete that video in case if you did not. So let me go back. I'm changing the time frame to quarterly. Let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. 5 stocks are filtered, and these 5 stocks are near to the quarterly demand zone. That means the current price is near to the quarterly demand zone. So let me go back. For quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. These 3 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to monthly. Let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. These 6 stocks are filtered near to the monthly demand zone. So I'm going back. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. These 4 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to weekly. Let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. These 8 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. So these 6 stocks are filtered. So I'm going back. Changing the time frame to daily. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. So these 11 stocks are filtered. Let us identify high liquidity demand zones from this list. And we have a Bosch, which is already high liquidity zone. Already we discussed about this stock in the previous HLQ analysis video. How I fine-tuned there, you can refer. And any other high liquidity demand zones? Yeah, here we have one more, HDFC AMC. It is having high liquidity demand zone and 3 times already tested. 6 rejections are there from this zone. So what you need to do, you need to identify a fine-tuned, a fresh 5-minute zone to plan a trade. If it is not available, mostly the zone will be violated. Next one is HDFC Bank, high liquidity. This one is also, we discussed how we fine-tuned in the previous, not exactly previous video, I think 1 or 2 days before HLQ analysis we discussed. If anybody wants to know how we fine-tuned, look into that video. And next one is Hindustan Unilever. And this is also we already fine-tuned in the last week. In the last week video, HLQ analysis videos, if you refer, you can find Hindustan Unilever, you can find HDFC Bank, and also Bosch. I think HDFC AMC you need to fine-tune. And next one is Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank is now near to the high liquidity demand zone. Already tested once. So you need to fine-tune this zone and you need to identify a fresh fine-tuned 5-minute zone. That's it. So total we have identified 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total 5 high liquidity daily demand zones we identified from this list. Please also discuss with your other members in our YouTube community in the comment section of this video. That is the only way you can improve your skills and you can get more confidence about your analysis. If anybody is making mistakes, don't take those mistakes seriously. Once you know that mistake, don't take it personally. That is what I want to communicate with you. It is a learning for you. While learning, you make mistakes. You have to admit. And then at least you should feel, I can do next time even much better way. That way you have to proceed further. Definitely one day you will exactly fine-tune in a perfect way. Never get demotivated when you make mistakes. We all make mistakes in the initial stage. See, I developed this entire software, having good experience. Still, sometimes I make mistakes. When I make a mistake, I will admit. I never demotivate. What is our fundamental right as a human? We make mistakes. That is our right. So when we have our right, why you have to get demotivated? We make mistakes, but we will learn from our mistakes. Okay. So let me go back. Next, for daily time frame, let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. These 3 stocks are filtered. Any high liquidity supply zones from this list? Nifty Pharma, but this is a indices. No, we don't have any high liquidity supply zones from this list for planning our trades. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to 125 minutes, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. These 12 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. These 9 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. Changing the time frame to 75 minutes. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. So 10 stocks are filtered near to the 75 minutes demand zone. Now let us identify 75 minutes high liquidity demand zones from this list. We have Biocon. Biocon is a high liquidity zone. Already tested once. It is a rejection. Tested once. So look for a fresh fine-tuned 5-minute zone. Anything else? And we have one more stock, Wipro. So Wipro is also having a high liquidity demand zone, 75 minutes demand zone. So we have identified 2 75 minutes high liquidity demand zones from this report. So let me go back. For 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. So 9 stocks are filtered near to the 75 minutes supply zone. So let us identify the high liquidity supply zones from this list. No, we don't have any high liquidity supply zones. That means both the daily time frame and 75 minutes time frame, we don't have any high liquidity supply zones. We have only high liquidity demand zones. I think 5 stocks from daily and 2 stocks from 75 minutes. So total 7 high liquidity demand zones were identified. So if you want to get profits tomorrow, the prices should be down in the morning session till the demand zones, and then again start moving up from the demand, then we will get the profits. So you need to expect such kind of market on Monday. Okay, let me go back. Changing the time frame to 25 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. So 7 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For 25 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. So these 3 stocks are filtered. Going back, changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. 6 stocks are filtered. Going back. For 15 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. So these 4 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. Changing the time frame to 5 minutes, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. So these 5 stocks are near 5 minutes demand zone. So going back, for 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. So these are the 8 stocks filtered near to the 5 minute supply zone. So these are the stocks near demand and supply zones. Now let us generate the last report That is stop buffers based on the daily ATR. So these are the stop buffers. This is the daily ATR, and 15% ATR you can use it for daily zones. 10% ATR you can use it for 125 or 75-minute zones. 5% ATR you have to use it for 25 minutes or 15-minute zones, and 3% ATR you have to use it for 5-minute zones. And also remember, first 17 stocks in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks, but they are listed in F&O segment. So let me scroll down this list. I'll keep on scrolling this list down by giving you only few seconds time. Any of the stock you want to refer, there you please pause the video. So let me scroll down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.